Hey guys, Rohan here. I'm bringing something special to you today. It's one simple method that you can use online to generate about $200 to $300 in profits on a monthly basis. So this is a very simple technique where you use desktop lightning as a traffic source. Okay, this is a traffic source that I stumbled upon a few months ago. I wasn't really using it actually, but when I started combining some Warrior Plus offers into that, I started getting some conversions actually just over the last week. So that's why I wanted to make this video and show you the step-by-step process so that you can use this method to make some money. And this is especially for the people who are not experienced in internet marketing at all. So it's a very simple method that you can it can help you practice a few very simple techniques and then build on that. And also for people who maybe are struggling to afford any kind of services or softwares online so that you can build your business, you can easily use the profits from here to supplement further softwares that you would like to use, like ClickFunnels or something like that. So let me show you how this works. So desktop lightning is your traffic source. Okay, the link to sign up is in my description below. This traffic source costs $25 per month only. Okay, and when you combine this with Warrior Plus offers, okay, I'll tell you specifically which offers as well are converting for me. You can easily make money, right? So I mean, if you do this consistently every day to set the email up, it takes only 5 minutes. Okay, and the way desktop lightning works is you're able to send a broadcast to about 1,500 to 2,000 people every 2 days. Okay, so you just need to spend 5 minutes online every 2 days, and you can make $200 to $300 per month. I mean, there can't be anything easier than that, really. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'll show you the details. Okay, so this is my Warrior Plus account. You can see yesterday I made $16. Okay, it's from the same traffic source, same offers. Okay, I'll show you all the details. So first, I'm gonna show you my monthly earnings this month. So this month, so you can see I've made almost $74 so far. So if you use this traffic source and I've paid $25 for it, that's I'm almost at $50 profit right now. And I started doing this just last week. If I was doing this for the whole month, it would be more. And you can see the offers over here: $200 cash hack and the $500 CPA everyday offer. So why these offers I found is converting is because these offers, they have a free training, so that costs $0. So that helps the person who's clicking your link to at least get in through the funnel, because they don't have to pay anything upfront. And then I'm able to generate these sales from small the commissions from very small sales. You can see here I've had a 21% hop conversion, and here a 15%. And then they end up buying some product worth $2, $3, $4 or whatever, and I make small commissions, and over time that accumulates, right? So the first method is, how do you get these offers, right? Warrior Plus is free to sign up on. Okay, you just go ahead, make an account, and then under affiliates, okay, under offers, okay, you have something called the vendor box search, right? So what you're going to do there is enter GK Marketing. Okay, so this is the vendor that you're going to get the links from. So here it is, GK Marketing, search. Okay, so you can see here the list of all his offers. So you can see I've taken like links from almost all the offers, but I'm running these two at the moment because I'm getting good conversions from them. So now what are you going to do to get approval? Because you need to get approvals to promote the links. So suppose for you it'll look something like this. You will have these request buttons everywhere. Okay, so I don't have approval for commission blueprint. So if I want approval for that, I'll click request. Okay, and then I'll hit request for approval to promote this offer, and I'm going to type something like, hey, I am an experienced affiliate marketer who is interested in promoting your offer along with a few other offers I am focusing on to my list of 3,000 people. Okay, something as simple as that. And then you request for the offer. Okay, you're going to get the approval within a day or two maximum. It usually doesn't take more than 24 hours. Okay, and once that is done, okay, what you're going to do is under affiliates, go to get links. Okay, and over here you have your link along with the email swipe as well, so you don't need to come up with anything new. Okay, you can just copy paste everything. So here's my Cashback offer, so I'm going to click that to get in. Okay, and here you can view JV page. Okay, so when you click that, you can get all the information over here. Okay, so this is the offer. Okay, you just scroll down until you see the email swipes. So all the email swipes are here. So what you got to do is just copy this, okay, into Desktop Lightning, okay, and just enter your link here. Obviously don't let it say insert affiliate link. You can say click here to access offer, okay, in your email, right? And then just attach your link over there. So I'll show you what Desktop Lightning looks like. This is the website. This is what you get when you sign in. Okay, and this is the dashboard. Actually, this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to send a broadcast. Okay, so like I said, you're going to get to send a broadcast every 2 days. So I have to wait another 21 hours and 34 minutes to send my next broadcast. But it's basically, it looks like an email box. You just copy that email there, copy in your link, and then you send it. That's it. And then from Warrior Plus, you can just monitor the clicks and conversions. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple, very easy to use. And I highly suggest you use this method to start generating some money, okay, for yourself. And also how Desktop Lightning works is, I don't get paid if you use my link. But why I would suggest you use my link, which is, in the description below, is it's like we connect with each other to build a network. Okay, so you're already attached to a network when you sign into the Desktop Lightning, but we can leverage on each other's email network when we refer each other. So our networks get connected. That way the amount of potential reach for your emails will increase. So that's the advantage actually. Okay, and the software costs $25 per month. So it's not a big risk. It's a proven method. I'm showing you the secret to make money, and this method will help you make a couple of $100 per month for 5 minutes of work every 2 days. Okay, so implement it. Please feel free to get back to me if you have any questions. I'll leave my contact details for Facebook and stuff in the description below. And if you have any questions, just I'll wait to hear from you. All right.